Hello, this is David with Sturgeon Technology Solutions. This video will be a tutorial for the receiver role within our Esther environment. The role of receiver applies to those that are working in the warehouse, receiving shipments, and creating pallet labels used for the inventory process. As a receiver, upon logging into Esther, you'll be brought to this screen, the Work Order Index. Here you can see valuable information that you might need, such as company name, work order ID, street, work order status, the scheduled date that the shipment should arrive, and the expected number of pallets versus the actual number of pallets received currently for that work order. You can search for values within any column that has a magnifying glass simply by clicking on it, entering your query, and pressing enter. You can remove filters by clicking the Remove Filter button. You can also search for a work order ID, company name, or street from the search box to streamline the process. When a shipment arrives, you would locate the correct work order and then click on the Receive button or the work order ID in blue. The Receive button takes you to the pallet creation page. At the top, you can see the current work order's information to ensure you are in the correct location. Once you have verified you're in the proper work order, you would enter all the information possible in the provided fields. The location drop-down allows you to select the location the shipment came from if it has been pre-entered for the specific customer. If it has not, leave the location name as none and enter the address information into the provided fields. If the location is in the drop-down, select it and it will populate the address information. The comment field is provided to enter shipment-specific information, such as if there is damage to the box. Verify that the arrival date is set properly and scan in the tracking number. If a contact name or customer reference number are provided, enter them in the corresponding fields. Once all the data is entered, click the green Create button. Clicking the Create button will take you to the label print screen. Click the Print button and attach the label to the pallet. Once the label is attached, you are done with that pallet. From the print screen, you can click the Receive button to return to the work order index, or you can click the New Pallet button to receive an additional pallet for the same work order. This concludes the receiver tutorial. Thank you for your time and have a good day.